All right, now to an I-Team investigation. Adult children permanently banned from ever visiting their ailing parents.
You may be asking, why is that happening? Well, because they asked too many questions about nursing home care. I-Team investigator Nathan Baca joining us now. And Nathan, I understand that this is legal to do this?
Well, Jonathan, yes, guardianship is a difficult decision for a family to make. When adult children need help in making financial decisions for ailing parents, many turn to the courts. But in some cases, the court turns on them, separating families in their final days together.
This is Paul Scarlatos on his 80th birthday. The retired naval aviator has 3 children who live close to him in Virginia, Liz, Mike, and Matt. Paul suffered a stroke and now lives in an assisted living facility. The Scarlatos children began to have concerns about the care their father received.
Solid food for a man with his condition, that could be ingested into his lungs. He could get pneumonia. It could be very serious.
And he was being given solid food.
He was being given solid foods.
When I repeatedly asked for assistance in getting these inquiries addressed, they essentially took my rights away to see my father.
You can't even see your own dad.
I can't. I've been banned for 6 months.
Why? Because Matt emailed the nursing home administrator about concerns. The court-appointed guardian warned Scarlatos not to do that, but Matt complained to a Virginia licensing board. The guardian writes, because of that, and for no other reason, Matt Scarlatos' visitation rights were terminated altogether.
Not only are we denied, we're punished. We cannot ask questions.
When legendary radio DJ Casey Kasem was diagnosed with dementia, Kasem's guardian, his wife, allegedly prevented her stepchildren from seeing their father.
I see this all the time where a child goes to ask for permission to see their own father, their own mother, and the guardian that's been put in place is denying visitation. Why? Because they're using that individual as a human ATM machine.
Kasem travels the country and counts success with 12 states passing increased family visitation rights. The company responsible for Paul Scarlatos' guardianship, I-Corps of the greater D.C. area, declined to answer our questions. In a statement, it responds, I-Corps is an objective third-party consultant that acts as an advocate for its clients. The company is committed to serving the best interests of its clients to ensure that they receive necessary life care management.
The Scarlatos children's stepmother and the guardianship company tried to get a judge to permanently ban Matt Scarlatos from ever seeing his father again. It argued in court, and the judge agreed children raising care concerns could affect their father's health if the assisted living facility compels him to move. The judge decided to allow Matt supervised visitation for 1 hour a week. Jonathan?
This is absolutely infuriating and ridiculous at the same time, because who better to care for an ailing parent than the children who are looking out for their best interests?
And that's exactly what this family is saying.
Why are these guardians given that much power, and why in the world is any judge agreeing with them, especially in a case like that?
Well, again, you have the situation where the judges and the courts believe that a court-appointed guardian is able to come in as a neutral arbiter. And in fact, this family, these children invited this guardian to come on in. So this family and other families we've talked to are saying, make sure you know what you're doing, especially have another situation like some sort of revocable trust instead of bringing in a guardian.
Sounds like change is needed there.
And that's what's happening.
Nathan, thank you for that.